Ready to transform your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to revolutionize your kitchen with incredible versatility. This one appliance replaces 9 different kitchen gadgets, saving you counter space and endless hassle. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and more, all in one sleek machine. With 15 customizable programs like soup, meat/stew, beans/chili and cake, even complex meals become effortlessly simple for any home chef. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and super easy cleanup, a huge win after any meal. Whether you're looking for the best electric pressure cooker or an ultimate multi-cooker upgrade, the Duo Plus stands out for its reliability and innovation. Want to simplify your cooking life? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus for yourself by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's a time-saving, meal prepping powerhouse perfect for busy families or anyone exploring new recipes. Considering an upgrade to your kitchen appliances in 2025? This is an investment that truly delivers on its promise of convenience and delicious results. For unmatched versatility and truly effortless cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is absolutely our top recommendation.